because I have that, so I know the day that I made it. 2 days, 3 days, depends on the recipe. Okay, depends on the recipe that you. Oh, looks like just a decoration for the. When is the best time to unmold? Okay, for this batch right here, which I show you guys, see my other video, check the description or the playlist. So when do you know your soap is ready? Okay, so with this one right, I have insulated, so I'll cover it with cardboard and I'll wrap it with a blanket, a jumper. Okay, blanket, jumper doesn't matter, something warm. Okay, to warm it up, to gel it. Okay, and I put it in an Esky. Okay, so this recipe right here is I'm not touching with my bare hand. Okay, I have to use glove. Okay, it should be alright now. It should be alright to touch, but I haven't do the pH test yet, so I'm not going to touch it with my bare hand. I'm testing the outside part. Okay, so bear that in mind. Okay, so I'll go inside now and show you guys how I do the pH test, how I cut it, and we go from there. Okay, so how you insulate it, put it in fresh, put a cardboard over it, a cardboard, a piece of wood, a plank of wood, then wrap it. Okay, wrap it like that, close the lid, you're done. Insulate it, leave for 8 to 2 days, 3 days, depends on the recipe. Okay, depends on the recipe that you are making. Okay, so that's how I do it. Put on your glove always. Okay, if you're not sure, put on your glove. Okay, that's the safe way of doing. Okay, gotta get the water now. Okay, to test the pH, you need distilled water. Okay, distilled water, just a little bit. That's plenty there. Okay. Drop it in. See, you may have flash. Make sure it's dry. Green. Okay. See that? It's green. Dark green. How can you see that? Let's check the pH. It's in the 8 or 9. Okay, so you know it's safe on top. And let me test the acid for you. Okay, I have apple cider vinegar. So you know the pH is correct. Get a pH paper. So this is apple cider vinegar. It's homemade one, but I just use the bottle. Okay, it's homemade. It's a little bit. This apple cider vinegar. Do a pH test as well. Ooh, the smell strong. Okay, it's around 3, 3 pH. Okay, that's how you know it works. Okay, so pH of this is 8 or 9, pH of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so that's how you do your pH test. Okay, leave it aside, so it's good. Okay, you know this pH paper is accurate. Okay, so you're good to go. Okay, now you can use your bare hand. Okay, but I'll still leave it on. Okay, to unmold, just flip it over. Okay, turn back. Okay, just okay, on the side as well, on the side here. And remember, this is 2 days, okay? So how do you know when it's the right time to unmold? Okay, depends on your recipe. Now, how do you know when it's the right time? From experience, okay? So from with this batch right here, right? I know that it's all liquid. It's all liquid. So I know it's going to take like at least 2 days to let this settle. Okay, still wet. Okay, still damp a little bit, but it's alright. It's alright to cut now. Okay, so that's what I'll do now. Sometimes, because we did the pH test on the outside, sometimes you have to cut in the middle as well, just roughly. Okay, and you test the. Ooh, yeah, it's hard enough. Okay, probably leave this. Probably 1 day is good. Okay, this one a bit too hard. So that's roughly the texture right there. You can see. So I'll do another pH test on this. Let me get the pH paper ready. Water. Throw it on. Yeah, green. Okay, so you know it's safe to take off your glove now. Okay, boom. Okay, pH test. Then it's safe to use bare hand. Okay. Now to get this cutting straight, if you use a Chinese cleaver like what I do here, you have to. You can measure it. I use a square right here. Okay, but I just go by eye. Okay, this is homemade. Okay, but you can use a square like this. Okay, and measure it out. So if you want, like say, 30 mil, so right there, make a mark right there. Go like that. Okay, so basically use a square. Okay, and push down. Okay, so and you have your perfectly, not perfect, but somewhat level. Okay. Some people will use a what they call a shaver. So I use a potato peeler. Okay, just to smooth out this part here, the edge here. But we are homemade, more rustic. So this is it's still soft enough for me to smooth it out with my finger. So it's not look more presentable. Okay, so that's what you do. I'll keep doing it now, then I'll come back to show you guys the whole lot. all this crumb right here, that's for your offcut, for your rebatch, okay? Or you can test it out, okay? Test it out with the ladder. It's safe to test now, okay? All the lye has gone out of the solution, of the soap. So it's safe to test, okay? Let me do the test right now. Boil water. So do a ladder test. Okay, so I have this little bit here, the offcut. You should wait for it to kill. Okay, C-U-R-E. Okay, so I'm just testing out the ladder. It's good. Fresh off the cut. Okay, and it's like that already. More water. How do I feel? Smooth. It's not lather very well, but this is a facial one, okay? It's a facial wash soap. Okay, let me wash. We are cleansing. Yes, squeaky. Yeah, so it's so I haven't tested it out yet, so fully on the face. Okay, it's a facial soap, but there you go. That's how you cut it. Okay, dry it, cure it for this recipe. I reckon like 1 month to 2 months. Okay, 1 month I recommend. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press that like button. Get this video out more to more people, okay? So they know how to make soap at home. Easy, okay?